Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to make these library pockets. Now I'm following a tutorial from Pinkstawberryz, and I'll link it down below. But basically you start off with a piece of paper that's 3 by 5, and then you come in with a patterned paper that is 2 3/4 by 4 3/4. And then I'm going to cut a piece of vellum that is 3 1/4 by 2 3/4, and I'm going to score it all the way around. I have these tags. They were a entire 12 by 12 sheet that I just cut apart, and then you go in and you trim off the edges, and then you punch a hole in the center like that, and then it creates a little tag that will fit perfectly in with these. And then you can come in and let's pick like this pretty pink here. Come in and ink the edges just slightly to sort of soften them. So that's like a pretty color for that edge. Don't want to do pink for them all. Might do pink for this edge here. And then I want to go around and actually stitch them also. So there. Here's a pink one here. Just softening the edges. And actually even it helps as well, because when you have these cut aparts, it can be hard to be super precise and get exactly perfect on the cutting of it. Let's go for it on this one too. And this way it allows you to sort of mask any edges that you might have not cut exactly perfect. And it just always is a pretty touch to have that shading on there. And I can come in with a couple of different, like this pink one here. I can come in with a couple different colors and do some pretty shading on them. And I mean, we could do all kinds of pretty things with the hole that's there. We can add I don't have any yellow here. I do have yellow in my other stuff. I could go in and put a little eyelet there. I could put a charm hanging there. Let's see. This color, this blue one here. Let's give it a whirl. Oh yeah, it's not bad. Gives it a nice little edging. Won't do too many this color, just this one. That color. I'm going to come in with this lighter one here. I won this as a prize at the Crop and Create. I really miss my Crop and Create. It was a super fun, I've got ink on my hands here. A super fun event. That's one thing that I haven't been able to go to them anymore due to COVID. So if that's the case, I might just flip that over, make that the back side, and then use that one on the egg side there. So anyway, you get the idea. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stitch all these. I'm going to cut my vellum, and then I'll show you the finished products. Okay, so I made the pockets. Now what I did was I took one of these pieces of paper. I either used vellum or this acetate, and then just came in and chopped off the corners here like that. These are all scored at 1/4 inch, folded them up and put them on the library pocket like that. So that's what is done to create this. So these are the finished products, and I came in with a sticker. I put a little clip with either a tag or some ribbon. Sometimes the tag I've added down below in the bottom, but all of these tags here, they're all stitched, and they have eyelets like this. So they have stitching all the way around. and they have eyelets. Some of them I did the inking on that you saw. Some of them I left on their own. On the white, I just wanted to leave it the white. And got a little Hop Easter, so I used stickers. I stitched all the way around all parts of the pockets here. So you can see the library card is stitched. So this is glued on here, but I went back and I stitched the vellum on as well. This one has a little bloom here. Here's a cute little, very like yellow, pink, white one. Hunt for eggs. This is like one of my favorite tags that's tucked way back there. I like it's just that same sort of pattern color. I like this one because little bunny's face is peeking out. That's like the cutest. So I wanted to make sure that you could see that bunny face, even though it's hiding underneath all of this stuff. It's peeking out there behind the ribbon and the stickers and the stitching, and everything's all cute there. And I did some fun eyelets on some of them. I have different shapes, and some of them I just used the round eyelets. But I've clipped a little tag and some of this fun little ribbon. Love makes everything grow. So I can take one of these apart so you can see what I mean by these tags here. So they've got this little set of items. Here's the little pocket all completed, and the little tag. So they can use these either way. The thing I like about these tags is they're blank on the back. So if they wanted to use these tags to gift a gift to someone, and they could put to and from or happy birthday or something along those kind of lines. So that's the really nice thing about those tags. They're very usable, and like I said, this one's one of my favorites. Really like that pattern. And yeah, so they just tuck into the pocket here, sort of stagger them a little bit so you can see all the little pieces. And then I have this and this little tag, and I just clip it to the top so that it's like a little gift of tags and ribbons and cuteness. So that's everything there. So yeah, again, I'll link down below Pinkstawberry, and you can see her whole tutorial on how to make these. She has the best tutorials. If you haven't checked out her channel yet, you're probably well aware of her though, because she's really quite fantastic. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you again next time.